Hey, what's up everyone? My name's AJ Writes Crypto, and the title of this video is Should You Panic? I think the answer is probably yes, but let's talk about it. So just overview, Jada and I are road tripping across the country in the Cybertruck. There will still be live streams, there will still be videos coming to you this week. All right, but I know right now crypto is running down the hill. Some of it's, the AI disruption with China, some of it's the tariffs, some of it's just the macro. I kind of think that we need a breath. In every bull run, Bitcoin or crypto bull run before this one, Bitcoin has had multiple 35% dips on its way up the hill. We haven't really had that yet since Bitcoin has gotten to the 100s. I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin come back to 70, come back to 80 before continuing on. We are still so early. Someone asked me yesterday on Twitter, what inning are we in? I still think we're in the third inning, maybe the fourth inning, maybe. Because at the end of the day, the Bitcoin halving cycle has the top of this market, Q3, Q4 this year. We are in Q1. Of course, in Q1, they're going to try to shake our conviction. They're going to try to make us think it's over, it's the end of the world. Of course, they're trying to get you out of your positions before the real bull run happens. I've never been more bullish, despite temporarily being nervous. Like my long-term hodl bags, I've never been more bullish. My day trader mentality is a little nervous right now, and that's completely fair, and it's important to separate those two mentalities. Earlier today in my Telegram group, I posted a bunch of setups, from Algorand, HBAR, VeChain, the Graph, Doge, Cardano, a bunch of setups. Basically looking at, and I have two of Algorand and HBAR are linked on Twitter down below. And basically what you got to look at is the coin you're trading, has it lost its local low from December? If it has lost that local low, that's very bad. Structurally, that is not what you want to see. It's probably going to take months to recover. Not a good look to lose that local low. It's a break of structure. That's the worst thing that could happen to a chart if you're holding that coin. There are some coins that are still holding their local lows. And when I did my tweet about HBAR, some of the coins lost their local lows 30 minutes after I posted the tweet. So you need to go for every coin you're holding. You need to ask yourself, have we lost the local low? Yes or no? Another thing is that on most altcoins, 6-hour chart, 4-hour chart, the death cross already happened. So when we had the dip back in December, it's important to know, look at the HBAR chart, that link down below. When that dip happened in December, when HBAR came down to that price, that was just a retest of the 200 EMA. This time it's different because now we're on the other side of the 50 EMA and the death cross already happened. It's not a retest, that's a breakdown. Those are two completely different things. So I think short term, should you panic? Probably. Long term, is this a good time to buy? Well, it depends. Are you trying to even out your entry price? Are you trying to buy lower in case you bought up top? I don't think it's the worst time to buy. I think anything between, the 618 golden pocket, like Algorand, probably not a bad value buy. You know what I mean? Because here's the thing. Are you trying to perfectly buy the bottom and make the most optimal move? Or are you trying to get some solid value buys? Because if Algorand, for instance, went to 60 cents, local top, came down to 30 cents, should you buy some at 30 even if it dips to 24, local bottom? Yeah. Because if you bought it at 30, local top is 60, so it's a double up back to local top, and then obviously the top for Algorand for this bull run's not 60 cents. So should you buy right now? I would say if you are taking a long-term mindset, acknowledging that the top of this bull run is later this year, now is probably not a bad time for value buys. But if you're intraday trading, scalp trading, short-term mindset, you should be worried. You should be probably looking for shorts in the event that the coin you're looking at lost its local low. So it's very important to separate your long-term mentality and your day trader mentality. And I say that a lot, but most people just magically forget the most important point. So Yeah, I do want to fill you guys in for a minute. Jada and I are driving, the truck across the country. And really fast, if you want to see more of my personal trading setups, make sure you join my Telegram group. Over 300 traders there. Been posting setups a lot, despite how much I've been traveling. Send an email, ajalphagroup@gmail.com. All the information is down below in the description. I am going to be doing more portfolio update stuff, but I am switching exchanges. You will know what exchange I'm switching to very, very soon. And of course, I'll have some promos for you guys to incentivize you to jump over to the new exchange. I'm very excited about that. Also, I am going to the Super Bowl. My mom is a diehard Eagles fan. I'm not really an Eagles fan, but it's really sentimental for her, and I know it might be a once in a lifetime thing to, go sit fourth row with my mom at the Super Bowl. If the Birds win, she's going to cry her eyes out. And I think I'm going to place a very large bet on the Birds. And I think if the Birds win the Super Bowl, I might do probably like a $5,000 giveaway on Twitter. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, you might want to consider that. Of course, link down below. So let's go Birds. Be careful. Separate your long-term mentality from your short-term trades. I think ultimately, long-term, not a bad value buy in the golden pocket. But if you're day trading, I'm probably looking for shorts, especially if we're losing those local lows. So, that's kind of what I got. Obviously all the trades I put in my Telegram group earlier, I got charts on Doge, Cardano, HBAR, Algorand, the Graph, VeChain, Chainlink. Definitely join the Telegram group if you haven't already. But we are hitting the road here. Got a bunch of videos coming for you down the pipe here tomorrow and the next day, and some live streams as well. So thank you for all of you who've stuck with me from day one. 24 and 25 is going to be amazing. January this year of 2025, if it was in 2024, that was my second best month of 2024. In the past 14 months, November 24 was the best month, and last month was the second best month. So if that's not insight to how much money is being thrown around in this industry, into how well the trading is going, into how volatile the market is, I think that volatility is going to continue, because when the market is volatile, going up or down, us traders, we are eating. So try to, for those of you who are becoming traders, it's really important for you not to get upset when the market drops 15%, 20%. When the market drops 15 and 20%, those are the days I get excited. Those are the days I am chomping at the bit to get involved and make some money, because that volatility is what you need to get rich or get wrecked. Smash the like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Have a safe rest of your day. Peace.